This is for the photographers. Let's talk about the Neewer Z2 Pro Speedlight. It's got a lot of professional features and cool things that it can do that other flashes cannot. Very competitive. Let's talk about it. Neewer is now getting very competitive with their flashes. Just to start it off, their flash and their QZ triggers are also all Godox compatible. If you're worried about if I buy a Neewer flash now, but I have so much Godox stuff or Flashpoint stuff, then just know that it's still compatible. They will all work with each other. You just have to change it in the setting. It's one little turn on and you're good to go. So when buying a flash, I definitely recommend getting a wireless trigger like this QZ as well, because I love doing strobe photography. It takes my photography to the next level, and if you are new into photography, definitely give it a shot. Give it a try. You can use the flash with a softbox, which I definitely recommend, but you can also use it bare. You don't even need a softbox to kind of have fun with a flash. You could use modifiers, the diffusers. Trigger, the Neewer QZ, is also compatible with other Godox flashes as well. Missing out. It looks cool. It's a touchscreen. It looks neat. So I definitely recommend it. First feature I like is this rubber piece that goes on the bottom of the connector. This prevents it from bending if you accidentally bump into something. The interface design is easy to read and looks very modern. Go into the flash menu to turn on wireless trigger as the RX receiver or the TX transmitter, or just turn it off. The round flash head creates softer and more natural looking light with smooth fall off. The head can rotate 330 degrees and tilt from -7 degrees to 120 degrees for flexible bounce lighting. The Neewer Z2 Pro delivers a strong 76 watt output and a fast 1.5 second recycle time, and an upgraded cooling system that can handle up to 100 continuous full power flashes without overheating. It supports TTL, automatic flash, manual mode from full power to 1/256th power that can easily change from TTL mode to manual mode with a switch on the side. Of course, it also has multi-sync flash, front and rear current sync, and 1/8000th high-speed sync HSS for outdoor photography. It's 28mm to 105mm auto manual zoom, and the upgraded 3000 milliamp lithium battery provides up to 600 full power flashes per charge. One of my favorite features about this is that it has a video light on the top and on the body itself. You could use this for video if you are filming a little ring or something like that, or if you are just wanting to use the LED light to photograph a person instead of holding an LED light. So you have that different option, and you could dial it down from 0 to 10. So that's kind of fun. An LED, 2 LED lights in a flash. I do both photos and video, so if I need a LED light right on the spot, then this could be very helpful. And also when you are in a dark area, like the reception room, you could just keep this LED light on and it'll use that to have your camera focus properly before triggering off the flash as well. Just something different. I love it. So on the side of the flash, there is TTL and manual mode. Just switch up and down. Very easy to do. Just spin the dial to make it brighter and dimmer. And if you're on TTL mode, of course, this compensates the light if you need it brighter or lower. So I do have the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.